Nakakabahan.
Huwag kakabahan.
I'll just be myself.
Yeah. I keep praying for it. God is, God is good and He knows what you...
Guys, she's single and ready to mingle.
And so is she. Okay, bago tayo mingle,
Okay.
ang tanong ko is, how's your relationship with Alger now?
Very, very, ano ba yun? Hindi professional eh. Pero there's no other word.
Civil.
Civil, yeah.
Very civil.
Pagdating lang sa mga bata kami nag-uusap. Yes.
Okay.
No more personal.
Wala. So, hindi
Except
kayo
for the
friends?
last time nung Anyway,
Ano?
naayos naman na namin. Yung nag-post ako about him running for counselor.
Okay.
Napag-usapan namin yun. Pumunta siya sa bahay.
Okay.
Tapos, nag-gets ko naman na why he's running. And I said, okay, well, I'll support you if you want to do that. But, you know, be protective na lang of the kids.
Correct, of course. Tatay pa rin yan, no? Yeah. So, nandun kayo sa stage
Nandun kami
ngayon.
sa ganun.
But you're not really friends.
No.
But I think okay lang naman yun. No? You
I
don't
think
have to
that's
be
fine.
friends.
I don't know.
As long as is he a good father? I don't
He's
know if
trying
this is
very
even
hard,
a
yes.
fair question, but he is.
Yeah. He's trying
He makes
very-
an effort.
He makes an effort. Yes, he does.
So, nasa iyo yung custody ng mga bata.
Yeah.
Tuwing kailan nakikita ng mga bata yung daddy?
Siguro over the weekend, siguro twice. So twice a month.
Twice a month. So, like
The
every
weekend
other
yun.
weekend.
Oo, yeah.
Ang hirap din, no? Kasi sometimes weekend ka lang walang trabaho.
Yeah. Like now. Tomorrow I have taping and then kukunin. So,
Ay, oo. Ay, naku. Hirap.
mahirap.
Oo. But, you'll get through. And pray for it. Yun lang lagi ko masasabi. Pray for it because you're a single mom now. So, I think na pag-usapan natin basically how to be single. Yun na yung ine-explain mo kanina. And I'm getting that it's not really easy. And at all. It's not easy. Ano i-advise mo sa mga
Single
kabataang
mom?
babae?
Ay! Mananawagan na lang ako sa government na please, yung sexual education.
I think importante
pa natin.
yun, no? Oo.
Galingan pa natin sa part na yun.
Kasi awareness ang kailangan ng kabataan, no?
Yes, and here
Awareness.
in the Philippines, it's a big problem. Underage pregnancy
Yeah.
is a big problem.
So you think kailangan ng awareness
Kailangan
program
natin.
para
Kailangan
ang mga
natin.
kabataan is at
Yes.
least know what to do.
Yes.
Diba? If you can't abstain, at least be
There are
safe.
protective ways. May mga
Correct.
paraan po na para hindi po mabuntis
Oo.
ng maaga.
Right. Kasi yung getting pregnant is one thing and having kids is another thing.
Being a mother is a totally different
Correct.
ballgame.
Lifelong yan.
Yes.
Diba?
Forever
Hindi yan yung ayoko na, tama na, let's move forward. Pag nabuntis na, nanganak na, and abortion is not an option.
Yes.
So, napakahirap. So, pag-isipan ninyo mabuti.
Napaka-unfair din sa mga bata who didn't choose to be, di ba, in the world.
Correct.
And then,
Yeah. Wala silang muwang.
Yeah.
Diba? Wala silang muwang.
Yun lang po.
Kasi sa Amerika, masyadong pinupush ang abortion. So,
I think you should be educated first on what happens. Kung ano
Yeah,
nangyayari
so,
when you know.
So, it's the prevention, not
Yes,
the abortion.
prevention first.
Diba? Ako kasi,
Shortcut kasi yung abortion.
plus the fact, it's murder yun
Murder,
no? Buhay na yun Plus the fact, sasabihin lang, paano yun? Hindi ready yung mami, ganyan. Ako, buti wala ako sa Amerika ngayon kasi ibabash ako dito.
That's true.
Kasi pro-abortion ang Amerika, which is really sad. Pero ngayon, hindi na siya legal. Pero ang ano ko kasi doon is, kung ayaw niyo magkaroon ang problema hindi nang gagaling sa pagbuntis na, nanggagaling sa when do you actually have sex and be responsible for it.
People just need to be, young women need to be educated.
Correct. Na there is responsibility.
And young women
In premarital sex.
Yes.
You know, di ba?
Some a lot of young women don't know din na yung nangyayari na sa kanila is sexual abuse. They don't know.
Correct.
They don't know.
Correct.
So it
Correct.
leads to
Correct.
ganun, yung mga
Correct.
ganun.
So, napakaganda
we
nitong
need-
conversation na,
Oo.
sir, because at least this is also one way of
Nananawagan nga po ako.
panawagan and giving awareness na
Oo.
I would repeat it na yung there is responsibility in
Yes.
premarital sex. It's not all fun, guys.
It's not,
Hindi
no.
ito yung puro sarap. And may mga kasabihan nga noon na sa sandaling sarap habang buhay na
Yeah.
na parang pagdurusa,
Pag-isip
no? Kasi medyo mahirap talaga. Kasi
Yeah.
mahirap talaga magkaanak. As much as it is a blessing,
Yes.
but it is also a big, big challenge.
Mm-mm.
No? Talking about challenges, na meron kang dalawang anak, do you get inspiration from Lola Eva thinking na meron siyang 8 anak na pinalaki, na of course hindi naman siya single mom, nandun naman ang papa ko, but we hardly see him. But of course he is also a good provider for us. Pero as far as disciplining us and really tutok, siya yun. So, do you get some inspirations from that?
Actually, alam mo na, naisip ko lang siya ulit after we went to Taiwan and I was, observing Mama Eva and then I would, yung mga kwento nyo about her and I'm like, oh, shucks, sa kanya ko pala nakuha din yung tapang.
Oo.
Ang tapang ni Mama Eva. And matapang din ako eh.
Sa pagdidisiplina, walang ano.
Yeah, well now, nahirapan din ako yung transition from being just mother, nurturer, to mom and dad, disciplinarian and nurturer.
So how do you balance it? Kasi
Repair. Like, halimbawa, repair.
Repair.
Halimbawa, nasigawan ko or, di ba, nagalit ako, tas yun, nasigawan ko, tas may nasabi akong medyo masakit, kasi ganun talaga minsan pag malamig na yung, kapaligiran, like, hindi na siya emotional, and I'm not emotional, lalapit ako. And i-explain ko kung bakit ganun yung nangyari.
Right.
And if I need to say sorry, alam kong mali ako, I will say sorry.
So you say sorry to your children?
Yes, I do. A lot.
How often? A lot? Oh.
If I make them upset, na alam kong na-upset sila talaga. Kita mo naman kasi yun sa bata na parang parang nasaktan ko yung damdamin
Yeah.
niya. May ganun. Parang, I will say sorry.
So would you say,
I-repair ko.
nasaan side ka? Nasa tough mom ka ba? Or nandun ka sa side ng medyo, hindi mo masabing tough, no? Yung nandun ka sa, hindi ko masabing weak eh. I can't find the word now. But are you the tough one or the malambot ang puso mo dyan?
Balance.
Balance.
Kasi pinapagalitan ko, pero pag nakatalikod na ako, umiiyak na ako.
So you really balance it.
I'm trying to balance. Yeah.
And I think, I'm assuming it's very hard.
It is.
It is, though.
Hard. There's a lot of mom guilt there. Kasi nga, I would rather not. Kung ako pipili, I would rather not be the disciplinarian. I'd rather just be the nurturer.
Who would do it?
Pero wala akong magawa
Diba?
because I'm a
Correct.
single mom.
And
So,
you have to discipline.
para rin naman sa kanila yun. I cannot let them,
Sabi nga nila,
grow up.
when you discipline your children, that's
it's for them.
that's an expression of love. Kasi pag i-spoil mo yan, hindi mo, mapapariwara. So parang, hindi mo sila love pag ginawa mo yun. So it takes a lot of courage to do that.
Yes.
So, we are in that, while we are in this conversation, meron ako ipapakita sa yung picture.
Laki naman
And
to.
I want you to, parang bigyan mo ako ng isang word that would describe it and why.
Okay.
Okay?
Heaven on earth.
Heaven and, that is so nice. Ito ang heaven mo. Yeah.
Alam mo, hindi ko na oh my God!
Oh,
Hindi, kasi ang dami
nanay ka na nga.
Yeah. Ang dami kong pain when it comes to, love life. Hindi ko nga may sumpa ako pagdating sa love life. Pero binigyan naman ako ng, 2 protector nga, sabi nila. Right now, I'm their protector. But sabi ng mga tao, when they grow up, they will be your protector. Parang sabi ko, sige, okay na ako dun.
And I want to tell you this. Unang-una, kita ko sa mga anak mo.
Yeah.
Diyos ko, parang
They
cute
are.
talaga ako. Magkaiba sila ng personality,
Oo.
no? Pero, sobrang cute. Pangalawa, yung pagiging protector, alam mo, totoo yan. Of course, everyone knows.
I can't wait.
Wala akong anak, di ba?
Yeah.
And siguro mga 5 years ago, I would say, I'm fine. I mean, mabuti na lang wala akong anak kasi I don't think I'll be able to explain. But now, naisip ko parang, oh my God, kung may anak ako, at least nasa 20 years old. And I could just imagine how he would protect me at this point. Or even, alam mo yung mga bagay na at your lowest point, alam mong merong magagan sa'yo, Mama, everything will
Actually,
be
kahit
okay.
ngayon pa lang, they do
Ngayon
that eh.
Oo.
Diba? They're very... Ito nga yung kwento ng tattoo ko na to. I was sad. Nakatulala lang yata ako this one. Naka-body makeup siya.
Okay.
But it's a drawing of a heart.
Okay.
Tulala lang ako, I think, in the bedroom. Tapos nandun sila. They were doing art.
Yeah.
Tapos, lumapit si Alas. Binigay niya yung papel. Tapos binigay niya gano'n, Mama, open this. Tapos, pag-open kong gano'n, it was a heart.
Oh.
Parang...
So, para pinagawa mo yun para maalala mo siya?
Yeah, kasi it was such a nice moment na
Yeah.
pag nangihina si Mama,
Yeah.
titignan ko na lang.
Oo.
Tsaka bata pa lang niya na
Diba may ganun
nagkakaroon siya ng empathy. That's what I want for my kids. I want them to have empathy.
compassion.
Oo, and compassion.
Yeah.
Oo.
Okay. So, I see so much strength now, Behind those tears, I see so much strength.
Oo.
But in your perspective, what is your strength as a mother? What do you
My
think?
strength?
Yeah. Greatest, because I think you've got a lot. But what do you think is your greatest strength?
I always choose to see my kids as human beings. Not just my kids.
Yes.
Kasi minsan feeling ko nakakalimutan na tao din yan behind
Yeah.
Kasi bata, when you think about bata, walang alam, di ba?
Oo. Kaya nga maraming
matigas
child
ulo,
abuse, di ba?
maraming ganon. Laging sumasagi sa isip ko, mostly when I'm not with them. Kasi, experience ko yung matigas ulo, yun lang nakikita ko when I'm with them. When I'm not with them, na-appreciate ko yung pagkatao nila, both of them.
Oo.
And I pray for them all the time. And yun, pinagdadasal ko sila palagi na sana ang makita nila yung good things that I did for them, not my mistake.
So, I mean, the way I look at them, the way I see you sa Taiwan, nakita ko naman kung gaano kanila kalang. Yung how...
Ayaw nila akong pakawalan.
Yung connection ninyo
Yeah.
mag-iina is very, very real. Yung alam mo yung... Kasi may iba kasi, di ba, yung mga bata, alam mo, laki sa yaya.
Yeah.
Di ba? Pero ako nakikita ko, although you're a working mom, parang nakikita ko na sa'yo attach yung mga
Yeah.
bata, hindi sa mga yaya. No? And I think that's I think for me, I think that's one of your great strength, if not the greatest. Kasi despite your limitations, time, and because of you were able to build that. And I think nanggagaling yan doon sa sinabi mo. Napakaganda nung sinabi mo na you see them as individuals, as human beings. Kasi a lot of people don't. Kasi nga, sabi mo, alam nila, bata yan, walang muwang. So, taken for granted. Akala nila hindi naiintindihan, pero totoo ko, ang bata
They do.
lahat na absorb. At ang galing din yung
There's a
disiplina.
soul behind those eyes.
Correct. At nakita ko yun. Alam mo, nung time na nagsiswimming dito, yung tatlong bata, oh my God.
Tawal sila, I know.
Kitang-kita ko yung mukha ni
Axel.
Axel. Kinuha ko yun eh. Yung parang doggy talaga siya. Kamukha niya talaga siya.
I felt so saddened, but ayaw kasi silang magkasakit. So,
Oo, pero nakita ko
tough
yung
mom.
obedience. Nakita ko yung walang pilit, walang nag-alboroto.
Di mo kasi nakikita si Alas.
Si Alas.
Sa loob.
Talaga,
Wala
alboroto
siyang
na.
Mama, sige na, 5 minutes na lang. Mama, sige na, 1 minute na lang. Oh?
Ang
swimming bang one day?
ang nakakatawa to si...
Nanonood lang siya.
Si Axel. Sinabi ko, go, go!
Oo.
Tapos sabi niya, di ako pwede mag-swimming.
Kakasakit ako.
Oo. And I think, yun yung mga manifestations na I think you're doing well as a mom. Diba? You may
Don't
not
feel
be,
it yet, but
but you may not
it's
be
the
perfect.
rewarding moments like this.
Correct. And it's not perfect. You're not perfect, I'm sure, but nobody is. But I think you're on the right path, doing what you do and being a mom. And huwag ka lang mawawala doon para
Yes,
magpatuloy
yes.
yung paglaki nila according to what you want them to be.
Yes.
What do you want them to be?
I want them to be like you at this stage of your life, meaning I want them to fully own who they are, whoever that is.
Ay,
Kasi magiging masaya sila when they're whole as human beings.
correct. Oh, thank you naman. At ako yung ginamit. Thank you very much.
Pero diba, kita-kita naman. You're fully whole in who you are.
Yes,
And that's what I
yes,
want
yes.
them to feel also, that they will be loved being who they are, whoever that is.
Correct.
Diba? Kung gusto nila well, at the same time, nakakatawa lang. Kasi palagi ako nagpapamanicure.
Okay.
Si Ella, sabi niya, gusto ko mag-aral mag-manicure, mama, para ako na lang gagawa niyan. Ganun level na wala lang, di ba? I want them to feel free to say things like that. And they
Correct,
won't
na
be
hindi
judged.
papagalitan.
Yes, they won't be judged.
Pero ngayon naman, alam mo,
Very open naman na.
At saka yung mga bata naman, nakikita lang nila, pero you can't judge them
Yes.
kung ano yung...
Ever growing, ever changing.
Correct.
But I want them to feel na
But
kahit
it's
ano
really
pa naman
how
yan.
you're gonna
Yes.
help them find themselves and identify and really be who they are according to your guidance.
Yes.
Sa dami na ng mga... I'm sure marami ka nang nabuong wisdom, sa dami ng pinagdaanan mo. You're just really... Pwede ba natin sabihin ang edad mo?
Oh, sure.
Yeah, you're just really 32. That's really young, no? Pero ang dami mo ng pinagdaanan. Ano yung pwede mong i-advise dito sa next picture na ipapakita ko sa'yo? So kung makikita mo to, what advice can you give her? Kung makikita mo siya ulit, what advice can you give her?
Oh my God.
Knowing what you know now.
Siguro, because I had a lot of, self-hate.
At this time?
Yeah.
Self-hate.
Yeah.
Oh. Why is that so?
Self-doubt.
Self-doubt.
Siguro, rin, I don't want to go into it, but
Yeah, no.
yung family life lang, medyo confusing siya for me. So, a lot of my life was trying to please everybody, but I didn't really know who I was, which is why in-admire kita.
Yun ako Yun ako
Yes.
nung araw.
Diba?
Yung I'm pleasing everyone except myself.
I
Yeah.
don't know why there's a lot, maraming So I would say to her, love yourself. Pero hindi niya kasi maintindihan yun eh. Pero, basta sasabihin ko na lang sa kanya. Huwag ka matakot sa sarili mo and love yourself for who you are.
I think that's a good advice. And I think, yun yung, kung ako makikita ko yun yung younger self ko. I would say the same.
I wouldn't say it. Yakapin ko na lang siya hanggang sa tumigil na siyang humagulgol.
Alam mo,
Hindi na ako magsasalita.
i-share ko sa'yo to. Alam mo, isa sa mga bagay na paano na-heal yung inner child. Of course, naniniwala ka sa inner child.
Yeah.
And I did a lot of self-help. And talagang nakipag-usap ako sa psychologist priest to heal my inner child. Kasi may ganyan nga ako. Alam mo, so pinagawa niya sa akin yung chair exercise. So in that chair exercise, sabi sa akin,
Imagine it's you.
Umaupo ka dyan. Kasi sabi niya, nandun ako sa monastery eh. Tapos dun sa may lobby ng monastery, merong rocking chair doon. So sabi niya, this is a chair exercise. Sabi niya, isip ka ng chair, And then, isipin mo kung sino yung pauupuin mo doon. So, nakilabutan ako. Kasi talagang hindi ko makalimutan yung experience. Kasi almost like trance ang nangyari. So, I started doing it. So, ang pumasok na chair sa akin, kasi lagi ako nakatambay dun sa lobby nung monastery. So, ang chair na pumasok sa akin yung rocking chair. So, sabi ko, sige. So, sige, pasok ka na. Sino naman yung gusto kong makita. So, nakita ko doon ang mama ko. Tapos nakita ko doon yung ex ko. And then, nakita ko yung inner child ko. Yung 3-year-old inner child. And he started sobbing. Umiiyak. Alam mo ang ginawa ko? Niyakap ko.
Ayun.
Oo. Niyakap ko. Tapos sabi ko, tapos iyak lang siya na iyak. Iyak. Tapos nung tumigil na siyang umiyak, naglaro naman. Naglaro.
Okay na siya.
Oo, okay na siya. Tapos sabi ko, do you wanna go? Sabi niya. Tapos naglakad kami, hawak ko yung right hand niya. Pa-away from the chair.
Ganda.
Alam mo yun. So, parang naalala ko lang kasi sinabi mo yung
It's
niyakap.
true
I
kasi.
think it's really very important.
You know, lahat
It's
tayo-
beyond words.
Yeah.
Oo.
Lahat tayo, it's unfair nga kasi we all have traumas from when we grow up and generational trauma. It's not your fault that it happened to you, but it's your responsibility to heal it. Sobrang unang sinabi sa kanya, unfair naman. I didn't do this to myself. Why would I heal it? Pero totoo siya kasi you cannot free yourself if you're holding on to pain
Oo.
from, diba? From the
Right. And going to that, so parang feeling ko, kasi kita ko kayo mga bata and knowing what I know now, sa mga, yung mga what is really happening to you as a little kid, siguro ko ako meron ako ibibigay na advice dun sa young Kylie. I would say, you have what it takes to be a great human being. So, parang don't lose focus, study hard, and set your goals. And remember that you are loved. Because I think you are loved. Your dad loves you, your
Yes,
mom
of
loves
course.
you, yung relationship
Yes.
mo, you're with your sisters are doing great.
That's
So,
true.
yun ang sasabihin ko na I think you are loved. Parang ganyan.
Ay,
Umiiyak na yung writer natin, di ba? Ay, nako. Anyways, wait.
good sign yan.
Good
Ibig sabihin,
sign.
it's a good episode.
Oo.
Oh?
Meron na lang last. Ngayon
Last
dito
na lang.
naman.
Ay!
Ano naman ang sasabihin mo dito? Oo. Sa kanya ngayon.
I'm so very proud of her.
Oo.
Kasi, she's becoming the woman she's always wanted to become. And, not to please other people anymore.
Mm-mm.
To be who she is for herself so that she can share it with other people.
Correct. Because you cannot share what you don't have.
Kasi if you're trying to please someone else, you betray yourself first. Paano yun? Paano yun naging honest?
No, you can't. You can't
Exactly.
give what you don't have.
So, if you're coming from an honest place,
Oo.
then mas totoo yung binibigay mo sa ibang tao.
Oo. Exactly. At ako naman, kung ano may advice ko dito,
Takpan mo din yung cleavage. Charot.
keep focus. Keep focus. And then, know that you're beautiful. Kaya pag-ingatan mo ang sarili mo. And get to your fullest potential.
Yes.
Yan naman ang may advice ko.
Yes po.
Alright. Okay. So, I think
Ba't may isa pang picture?
Meron pa. Wala, tapos na.
Tapos na pala.
Tapos
Okay.
na. Oo. So, wow. Alam mo, I love this conversation.
Me too.
Oo.
Medyo kinakabahan lang ako
And
dun sa ibang.
but thank you for being so honest and vulnerable. And I think maraming mapupulot sa atin.
Yun lang talaga yung dynamic namin.
Oo.
Actually, isa si Tita Bibi sa mga, yun nga, gumising sa akin last year. Every time we have a conversation, I'm always learning something new and nakapako na yun. May sticky note na doon. Or remember this. Tita Bibi said this. May ganun siya.
Good.
Yeah. Yun siya. And I'm
Oo.
so sad. Aalis na siya.
Di bale, magkikita tayo ulit. But, thank
Guys,
you.
paabutin nyo ng 5 million para bumalik siya dito. Mag-shoot pa kami ng madaming episode.
From your mouth to God's hand. Nako, Kylie, thank you for this beautiful
Thank you.
moment. Thank you for Bibi talking with me.
Thank you.
And I hope na pag nag-usap tayo ulit is nandun ka na sa... I know naman these tears are not tears of sadness, but
Oo
tears of
naman.
realization. And
They're tears of unbelievable love.
oo,
No.
So, I wish na pag nag-usap tayo ulit, you are in that place where you can say, this is what I'm saying.
Yes.
Diba? Yung,
Sana by that time may movie na ako na action.
Oo. Sana,
Tito!
diba? Yun ang
Iya,
wish
baka
ko.
pa
Next
sa'yo.
time, nagkukwentuhan tayo ulit
Oo.
at pinag-uusapan na natin yung
Oo.
pelikula mo.
Either yun or nanalo na ako ng Best Actress.
Oo.
Tito!
Diba? Yan naman naman.
Manifest!
O diba? O nagpapagraduate ka na ng mga anak mo.
Grabe naman, tagal na. Huwag naman! Ang tagal na nun.
Journey nga eh.
Oh, journey. Sige.
oo. Pero yeah. Pero gusto ko yung attitude mo kasi you're
Diba?
looking at 2-3
Yes.
years, very good. Very,
Aw.
very, very good. So, I'm proud of you. And I believe na marami matututunan sa atin ng audience natin. And may you be a source of inspiration sa lahat ng ating mga young ones na nagkamali somewhere, pero sinusubukang tumayo ulit
Yes.
and be victorious amidst all these trials.
Amen.
Thank you. So guys,
Thank you.
maraming salamat po sa inyo sa pagsama sa amin, sa pakikinig sa amin. And this is Bibi Gandang Hari reminding you, and I'm reminding you, to be all that you can be. You owe that to yourself, and you owe that to God. Alright?
Amen.
Thank you. I love you, my love. Thank you.
Oh my God, ang lambot ng balat niya. Mas malambot pa sa balat ko.
Pero lagi sinasabi sa akin yun.
Ang lambot nga talaga dito.
Talaga?